So you finally made an appointment at your dealership service department to get this weird noise that your car is making fixed. So you see the service advisor and you tell them, okay, my car is making a weird noise. Can you fix it? Well, that's the last thing a service advisor wants to hear. Finding or fixing a weird noise on a vehicle is like finding a needle in a haystack without knowing which haystack it's in. So keep this in mind when you go to your service advisor and you want to get a noise fixed from your car. You need to make sure you have enough detail to help the service advisor give all that information to a technician to be able to find the noise. I'll give you an example. I've had a customer come in and tell me, my car is making a weird noise, can you fix it? I tell them, okay, what kind of noise is it making? The customer tells me, I don't know, I don't drive the car. My wife told me it was making a noise and she wanted me to bring it in. Well, that doesn't help us out at all. And if you can't help us out, we can't help you out. So we need to know, is the noise a rattle, a clunk, a wind noise, a thud? Whatever the noise is that you're hearing, you need to be able to describe it to us. And any more detail that you can give us, any more information that you can give us, will help us figure out where the noise is coming from and what the noise is. So for example, does it do it when you're turning? Does it do it during acceleration? Does it do the noise when you're braking? Is it when you turn it on in the mornings when it's cold only? Or is it when you turn on the AC? Keep in mind, your vehicle is a well-oiled machine. It basically has a lot of moving parts. There could be noises from your window, there could be noises from your dash, there could be noises from your suspension, from your engine, your transmission, from your seat. So we need to understand when the noise is happening, what kind of noise is it, and any other information that you can help us out. Did it start after you had some body work done? Did it start after somebody replaced a part? Did it start after you ran over something? All of this information can help us out. There's a lot of customers that, keep in mind, don't understand how cars work. And that's why I wanted to make videos like this. So that way you as the owner of your vehicle, as the customer, know what to expect when you come into the service department. And that's going to make everything go a lot smoother. So noises are not able to be found by just hooking up the scan tool and reading a code in your vehicle. So if your car is making a noise, we can't hook it up to a machine and it'll tell us, oh, your suspension is making noise or the rattle is behind the dash. There's no equipment like that. The diagnosis that's done on your vehicle is the technician driving the vehicle, duplicating the noise, trying to hear where the noise is coming from, and then looking for it. So if he has to put the car up in the air, if he has to remove a door panel, if he has to remove your AC, if he has to look under the seat track. So there's different things that the technician has to do to be able to find the noise. So the more information you give us, the easier it's gonna go. And keep in mind, dealerships charge a labor rate for diagnosis. Normally it's 1 hour of labor, which is usually kind of high at a dealership. So the dealership that I work at is $230 for the diagnosis for 1 hour of labor. So if the technician has to spend a very long time looking for a noise because you're not giving us enough information on it, we're gonna charge more for the diagnosis. So again, this helps you out, it helps us out, and we are able to fix the vehicle in a timely manner that way. One last thing, do not expect going to a dealership, dropping off your vehicle for a weird noise, and then expecting an answer in 30 minutes, an hour. This usually takes a lot longer. Plan on leaving the car with the service advisor, and then that way they will call you with an update once they figure out what's going on. The technician might need to drive the vehicle several times, might need to do different things on the vehicle to try to eliminate things, to try to find the problem. So I hope this video helps out. Again, I am making these videos to help you as the owner know what to expect when you go to a car dealership. You have the right information, that you're not scammed. And then that way also the service advisor that's helping you out also has the right information so that they can fix your car the right way. If you guys have any questions, have any stories about any of these things as a service advisor or as a customer, please comment below. Don't forget to subscribe, and I hope you look forward to the next video. Thank you.